Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Plug the Chromecast into the monitor HDMI and power it with the provided USB cable. Once powered, switch the monitor to the correct HDMI input. Make sure your phone or laptop is on the same Wi-Fi network as the Chromecast. This is essential for discovery. If the Chromecast shows a setup code, open the Google Home app and follow on-screen prompts. You'll pair devices and name the Chromecast so you can select it quickly when casting media. Once setup completes, use the Google Home app to apply updates and confirm the device name. This simplifies selection. To stream video or audio, open a Cast-enabled app and tap the Cast icon, then choose your Chromecast. The content plays on the monitor. If you're on a computer, open Chrome, go to the menu, select Cast and pick a tab, window, or the full desktop. This gives you flexibility for presentations or mirroring. Make sure resolution and aspect ratio are set correctly in the source app. To finish, check monitor display settings for scaling and aspect ratio so the image fits. Tweak sound output if audio isn't coming through. If the Chromecast doesn't appear, restart the Chromecast and your router, then reconnect your source device. This often resolves network discovery issues. If you're using a DVI or DisplayPort monitor, use an appropriate HDMI adapter and ensure the Chromecast has stable power from a powered USB hub. If problems persist, factory reset the Chromecast from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.